Hey everyone, this is Gaurav Manchanda. I built my own software company when I was a third year college student. At the time, when most of my classmates in trends were looking for placements, I was hiring people for my company. Today, I'm going to share all my knowledge, tricks, strategies, frameworks which helped me to start my own career as a freelance Android developer and eventually build my own software company, which is now Rethink UX. I have designed an offline course on Android application development. It's in Chandigarh and it's of 6 months. But stop, you won't only learn about Android here. I have packaged the version control system Git, project management tool Trello, bug tracking software Jira, and all the tools that software developers use in their daily life. So you won't learn only Android, you will get to learn all the skill set. So if you are someone who want to start your own freelancing business in mobile application development of course and become a job ready software developer, then this course is for you. During this course, you will be building live Android projects at Rethink UX and you will also publish Android apps on your personal Play Store account. By the end of this course, you will be able to crack Google's Associate Android Development certification. Book your seat. Click the link below because we are also offering a full refund of your money if you don't like this course for any reason within the first 1 week of your enrollment. Hurry up, click the link below. Thank you.